Alright, in this vid I'm going to show you real quick how to swap your float arm, this guy, over to this new sender. So this is like an 09 and earlier. This one's the correct one for a 10. So I'm going to pull this arm off and the wire attached to it to put it on this one. Alright, so you got to pull the float arm out of it first, and there's two plastic clips holding it in. Alright, so the first thing we'll do is, right now it can travel. So if you actually pull it out slightly and just down, it locks in place. So now the arm is locked in place on a little clip down here. Make it easy to work on. And then we're going to pry it out of these two clips holding it in there. So this one, the reason you want to do this, so you're not pushing on this ceramic reader board while you're trying to do it and crack that fucker, because then it won't work. So now that it's supported on the clip, I can put pressure on this while I pull this out. And there, I just popped the one out, and actually nope, that one's still in there. And so the one back is kind of harder to do with leverage. So just keep a little pressure on the black part, and just get you a little screwdriver or something. Alright, and then now the float arm is popped out of the holder, and then it's just going to pull out. Let's see if I can get a good angle. Alright. Get rid of that shit. Alright, so now the float arm's out. So now we want to remove this and the wire. It's going to be easiest to pull this little wire. It's just, this bracket is just sitting in a little retainer. So again, just get a little screwdriver, and it pops right out. Now be careful not to break that thin linkage to the spring on the arm. And then now that that's out, this whole black part will just slide off. So get rid of the 9 one, which is the wrong one. Get your new one. It's going to be reverse order. So slap the black part on. I'm going to slide the metal clip back in. Alright, set this on that little lock thing so you're not putting pressure on the board. And get your float arm back. Feed it through the hole. Line it up. Again, don't push it on the board. Pull it over to the end when it's on that little lip. And we just snapped it back in. And make sure the metal pickups aren't there reading on the card. On the card properly. And that's all you got to do to swap it over. Alright.